Welcome to this module on high-leverage artificial intelligence tasks. In this session, we will explore the various ways we can identify and implement artificial intelligence solutions that maximize impact while minimizing effort. This is a crucial skill in today's fast-paced work environment where efficiency is key. As we delve deeper, we will look into practical examples that showcase how artificial intelligence can transform professional workflows. You'll learn how to streamline processes, improve decision making, and enhance productivity through the smart use of AI technologies. By the end of this module, you'll have the knowledge to identify high leverage tasks within your organization and apply artificial intelligence strategies that make a significant difference. Let's get started on this journey to optimize our workflows and harness the power of artificial intelligence. High leverage AI tasks automate time consuming, repetitive, or complex data processes, freeing human capacity for strategic work. By utilizing advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques, businesses can streamline their operations significantly. These AI tasks save significant time by automating lengthy tasks, enabling employees to focus on more impactful projects. In addition to saving time, AI also plays a vital role in reducing errors in repetitive activities. By minimizing human intervention in routine tasks, companies can achieve higher accuracy and consistency in their work. Furthermore, high-leverage AI solutions are designed to be scalable, making them applicable across different departments and industries. As organizations grow and evolve, AI technologies can adapt to meet changing demands, providing extended value over time. This adaptability ensures that businesses remain competitive in a rapidly changing landscape. Automated financial reporting leverages artificial intelligence to extract data from multiple systems. This process not only creates detailed reports, but also identifies trends that are crucial for decision making. By automating these tasks, organizations can save significant time, allowing staff to focus on analysis rather than manual data compilation. Intelligent customer support alerting uses artificial intelligence to analyze customer interactions across various platforms. By doing so, it enhances response times and improves customer satisfaction. Customers receive timely assistance, while support teams are kept informed about critical issues that need immediate attention. Additionally, these advanced AI applications can track performance metrics and customer feedback effectively. By using these insights, companies can optimize their support strategies and financial processes, ensuring they remain competitive in a fast-paced market. A marketing team once bogged down by the repetitive grind of manual reporting, analysts dedicating 8 hours each week to pulling data from over 5 distinct platforms, reconciling discrepancies, and wading through endless spreadsheets just to produce a single report. By deploying AI-driven automated reporting, we've unleashed advanced algorithms that connect to every data source, cleanse and harmonize inputs overnight, and present a unified, interactive dashboard by first light. What formerly swallowed an entire workday now requires only a concise 15-minute review, while error rates have been slashed by a remarkable 95%. This dramatic shift has liberated analysts from the minutiae of data processing, allowing them to concentrate on strategic analysis, spotting emerging trends, optimizing budget allocations, and crafting compelling narratives that amplify campaign performance. Real-time insights empower the team to pivot instantly, whether reallocating resources to high-impact channels or tweaking creative elements mid-campaign. Cataloging your team's most repetitive processes, data aggregation from multiple APIs, 8 HRs week, high error risk, monthly invoice reconciliation, 5 HRs, medium errors, customer support triage, 6 HRs, high errors, compliance report generation, 4 HRs, high errors, social media scheduling, 3 HRs, low errors, and basic lead scoring, 2 HRs, medium errors. For each, assess whether a rule-based AI approach can cover the steps. Nightly ETL pipelines can fully automate data aggregation. Templated checks and validations handle compliance reports. Pattern matching engines tackle invoice reconciliation. Keyword rules with later NLP enhancements streamline triage. Calendar logic automates social scheduling. And simple scoring rules power lead qualification. Prioritize the tasks that combine the greatest hours saved with the largest error reduction impact. Data aggregation and compliance reporting top the list. Then pick one to automate end to end, measure your time savings and error drop, refine your rules or add ML components, and move on to the next high priority task. By defining clear KPIs, aligning quarterly milestones with team goals, and iterating rapidly, you'll capture dramatic efficiency gains early and build the foundation.